So for the second part of this exponent, I should say exponent basics quiz, not exponent. Okay, for the second part of this quiz, it says, how would you convert the repeating non-terminating decimal to a fraction? Explain the process as you solve. All right, so the first thing I need to figure out is how many digits are repeating. And in this case, there are 2 digits repeating. So it's 0.36 repeating. If I want to write it as a fraction, I am going, since there's 2 digits here, I'm simply going to take those 2 numbers, 36, and I'm going to put them over 99. Now let me go ahead and mention this. If it was 1 repeating decimal, like 0.2 repeating, I would take that 2 and I would put it over a 9. If it was 3 repeating digits, like 0.125, and all of those were repeating, then I would take the 125 and put it over 999. So you just see how many digits are repeating, and then that's how many 9s you put on the denominator. So over here, I have 36 over 99, but we do need to reduce that. You can reduce in your brain or in your calculator. I will show you both. I'm going to start off with the calculator. If I type in 36 divided by 99, it gives me the repeating decimal, which is good. That's what I wanted, right? I wanted 0.36 repeating, but I'm trying to get a reduced fraction. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit the fraction button. And my most reduced fraction is 4 over 11. So if I was writing this out as an explanation, I would probably say something along the lines of, and yours does not need to sound exactly like this, but first, I identified how many numbers were repeating. Since 2 numbers were repeating, I put those 2 numbers over 99. Then I reduced my fraction. 36 over 99 equals 4 over 11. Something like that. It doesn't have to be exactly like that, but just kind of mention what we did in words so that I can give you full credit for it. And if you wanted to do, if you wanted to reduce the fraction without the calculator, you can do that. You would just have to go over here and say, okay, what do they both have in common? Or what can you divide both of them by? You could divide each of these by 9. So you could have done 36 divided by 9 is 4, and 99 divided by 9 is 11. So you can reduce by hand or with the calculator. But y'all, don't ever be afraid to use a calculator in this class. And if you're worried that you won't get credit for showing the work, you can always say, I reduced my fraction in Desmos. That will tell me that you actually did it in the calculator. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck on the part 2.